Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your Wise account. So as you can see, this is the official help section of wise.com. This is the help home and managing your account guide to getting verified. So this is a step-by-step process of how you can verify your account. So the first thing is, how does verification works? The amount you send, this is basically, we usually verify your identity with some photo ID, proof of address, or a picture of your holding your ID. And after that, when and how we verify your depends on a few things: the amount you send, like the currency you send, and how many transfers you have made. So these are the things which will take you to verifying your Wise account. And after that, here is what type of documents does Wise accept. So you can read everything on the document you share should match the information on your Wise account. The document needs to be from the country you reside in and which shows on your Wise account. And after that, make sure your photo isn't blurry or covered, and also all the information is correct and clear. So after that, we don't have the resource to support every language, so we may not be able to accept a document which is not in English. So what you can try is a valid ID card, passport page, photo page only. National ID card, we only accept the most recent version of the Nigerian national ID card. Photo of driving license and a valid proof of address documents can be like your utility bills. You can show these documents like gas, electric, or landline phone, and a bank or a credit card statement, as you can see here, and a local tax system, vehicle registration, like photo driving license, or any other government document that is officially approved from your government. And what if my document is not issued by my country of residence? So you can read this: isn't issued by you, we may need proof that you are living in there. So this is the kind of step-by-step guide and all the instructions of how you can verify your account, what are the criteria, what documents are accepted and what are rejected. So you should follow these instructions, and you can also visit the official website of Wise to take more help and verify your account. So that is a simple and easy process.